Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install driver toolkit for your PC and install it into your PC. So without wasting time, go to your video and try to download for PC. Okay, search your driver toolkit and open this website drivertoolkit.com, this website. Okay, and driver toolkit instantly download update this. Okay, these are the feature. How does driver toolkit work? This is the overview. Says okay, driver toolkit scan your devices and detects the best driver for your PC with our superlink driver match technology. Download drivers. You may specify contain driver update to download or recommended driver update with one click. Install devices. When download finishes, just click the install button to start the installation. Can you see? It's quick and easy. Okay, it's very quick and easy to install it. Why choose driver toolkit? The advantages you can see here: excellent identifying driver, 100% safe and secure, simple and easy to use. Okay, powerful features, full-time technical support. Okay, supported devices. The driver toolkit support following devices. Okay, you can see here the device list of devices: printer devices, motherboard drivers, monitor driver, touchpad driver, scanner driver, Bluetooth driver, camera driver, mouse driver, network adapter drivers. Okay, this is the list of devices that can support driver toolkit. Okay, after that we will try to download it and install into our PC. Okay, after that click here register, and you can see here enjoy more stable PC performance, and that is single solution at $30, and family pack $40, and enterprise edition you can see here that is $90. The feature difference between these three editions: the enterprise edition is available for about 10 PCs. Okay, and license period is lifetime. Once you buy this, it's lifetime, and you can connect your 10 PCs for your driver, um, and that is 60 days money back guarantee. Okay, after that we will check the family pack that is only for available for 3 computer, and that is also lifetime. Okay, and the single solution is available for 1 computer, you can see here. Okay, so if you want to download for your 1 PC, then you click here. For more PCs you have, then click here, and available for that is 10 PCs. Click here to download and install into your PC. Okay, after that these are the frequently asked questions. Okay, why people love us. Okay, these are the reviews of the users what downloaded and installed the software for their PCs. Okay, these are the reviews. Okay, and we will try to download for our single PC edition by here, and after that we will pay here about $30, that is rupees 7,000, about 7,000, and we will just pay here. Method is described here, and after that we will provide all billing information here and place order. Click here, everything we will provide them. So after that you will download, and when you pay the prices, you will download the driver toolkit for your PC for single edition, as I clicked on single for single PC. Okay, and you will install for your PC. Okay, thanks guys, thank you so much for watching my video. So guys, in this way you can also purchase driver toolkit for your PC in this way. Thank you so much.